All right, here we go. Let's unbox.
I already own a bunch of Elgato stuff, including the original Streamdeck, but I wanted more buttons. So I got the XL once I saw it was available. I didn't want the original Plus because as much as I like the extra controls of the dials and the touch surface, I really needed lots of buttons. Alright, I tried plugging into a couple of hubs and then directly into my MacBook Pro, and there's a quick logo showed up, you saw, but no real sign of life, other than this that popped up in the app. There was a little bit of a scare, but once those updates all happened, the deck came to life, which was reassuring. My first impression is that this thing just looks and feels great. It's nice that they preload a bunch of stuff so you can kind of get a feel for how you would configure these different controls. So I'm going to look forward to working with this, but so far, after that quick little scare there, I'm very happy with this purchase.